Hello, little learners. How are you all? I hope that everyone is fine and well and safe at your place. This is Dushita ma'am, and today we will be learning grammar. Yes, I can see what you are doing. I can touch this book, but you cannot touch this book. You should learn. You should practice more. Dear kids, you will be thinking मैं क्यों can and should के sentences बोल रही हूँ? Why I'm using these sentences? You will be thinking that, isn't it? Yes. So little learners, today we will be learning chapter number 22. Can, cannot, should and should not. So, are you all ready? Yes, so in this video, we are going to talk about some modal verbs. These are known as modal verbs. Now, you will ask, ma'am, what is this modal verbs? I don't know about it, isn't it? I will tell you, little learners. Modal verbs are words that come before a main verb in a sentence, and they are always followed by the base form of the verb, and they are always followed by the base form of the verbs. So, after a modal verb, we have base form. After a modal verb, we have base form. Look here. Walk, lift, fly. These all are base form of the verbs. For example, here we will be learning about should and can. But there are some more models like will, could, should. But today we will just want to look at two. That is can and should and their negative forms. What is the uses of can? We use can to show ability. So whether or not I am able to do something, we use can. For showing ability, we use can, can. The other modal verb is should, which is used for giving advices. Which is used for giving advices. Like, you should not litter. You should not throw waste on land. You should throw the waste on only in bin. Okay, you should throw the waste only in bin, dustbin. Use dustbin. Should not throw the waste in the land or in your surrounding. Likewise, we use should and should not to give advices. Alright, little learners? Now, I'll give you some more examples. Like, I think you should practice more for maths. I'm using should for advising. Very good. And then I'm using can to showing the ability. For showing the ability. Like John can lift the weight. John वजन उठा सकता है. But David cannot. A man can walk, but he cannot fly like bird. So the word can is used to talk about things we are able to do. The word cannot is used to talk about things we are not able to do. Now it's time to do exercise portion. I hope that everyone understood can and cannot and should not ka concept. Let us revise it one more time. Okay, so listen here carefully. We use can and cannot to show the ability. Whenever we want to express our ability or the things which we can able to do, we use can, and the negative form is cannot, and the short form of cannot is can't. Now should and should not. So little learners, should and should not. Should we use for talking about action that are right, sensible or correct, or whenever we want to give advice, whereas we use should not to suggest something that is not good and we should avoid doing. Understood, little learners? Now let us do the exercise portion. Please open page number 85. Take out your pencils and get start. So everyone, let's start the exercise portion. Look at the picture, then answer these questions with yes, it can, and not, it cannot. The first one is, can it swim? Look at this picture. Can it swim? Yes, it's a picture of fish and fish can swim. So we will write, yes, it can. And then, can it fly? क्या fish उड़ सकती है? No. So we will write, no, it cannot. And then, come to the next one. Can it walk? क्या cat walk कर सकती है? Yes, it can. Can it read? No, it cannot. So बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से हमें ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है. Please turn the page. Come to page number 86. And look at the next picture. This is a picture of monkey. Look. Now, can it sing? क्या ये गाना गा सकता है? No, it cannot. Write it down. No, it cannot. Can it climb tree? Yes, it can. And then come to the next one. Yes, it's the picture of cheetah. Can it run? Yes, it's the fastest running animal. And yes, it can run. So write it down. Yes, it can. Can it talk? क्या ये बातें कर सकता है? No, it cannot. Now come to the next exercise. Now write sentences about these animals and follow the examples. अभी जो हमने images देखी ना, ये सारे पिक्चर्स, बस इस पिक्चर के बेसिस पे हमें कुछ सेंटेंस लिखने हैं with can and cannot. चलो let's try. The first sentence they had given us is, a fish can swim but it cannot fly. So second one we will write, a cat can walk but it cannot read. A monkey cannot sing but it can climb trees. A cheetah can run but it cannot talk. So write it down like this. A cat can walk, but it cannot read. A monkey can sing, but it cannot, but it can. A monkey cannot sing, but it can climb trees. A cheetah can run, but it cannot talk. And you can hear me, but you cannot see me because it's our video lecture. Now, come to should and should not. As I told you earlier that we use should and should not for advising. Let us read these sentences. You should not litter. आपको कचरा इधर उधर नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. Then you should throw waste only in bins. Yes, we should always throw waste only in dustbin. Now, the words should and should not are used to make suggestions. The word should is used for talking about action that are right, sensible or correct. The word should not is used to suggest something that is not good and we should avoid doing. Now, please come to the next page for our better understanding. Let us do the exercise portion of it. Please come to page number 87. And the very first exercise for should and should not, question number 3 is underline the correct option in each sentence. One has been done for you. Let us see the first one. You should not harm animals. Yes, we should not harm animals. तो जो भी सेंटेंस में आपको लगता है कि शुड आएगा वहाँ पे आपको शुड में अंडरलाइन करनी है. जो भी सेंटेंस आपको लगते हैं कि शुड नॉट आना चाहिए वहाँ पे वी विल अंडरलाइन शुड नॉट. कम ऑन, लेट्स डू इट. 1. Should not cross the road with the light in green when the light is green. 1. Should not cross the road when the light is green. जब भी लाइट ग्रीन होती है तब हमें रोड को क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें कब करना चाहिए? when the light is red. At that time we should cross the road. Now, you look tired. You should go to the bed. You look tired. You should go to bed. Now, come to the fourth one. We should wash our hand before eating. Yes, we should wash our hand before eating. Now, children should not watch too much television. Children should not watch too much television. It is going to rain. You should take an umbrella. So look, all these sentences are advices or suggestions. So we use should and should not for advice and suggestions. Now come to exercise number 4 of same page. Fill in the blanks with should or should not. Children should not talk to strangers. The very first is children should not talk to strangers. बच्चों को strangers से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. क्या करनी चाहिए? करनी चाहिए अनजान लोगों से बात नहीं. जिसे हम जानते हो उसी से बात करनी चाहिए. Now, we should not go out alone when it is dark. जब अंधेरा हो जाता है तब हमें अकेले बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. So we should not go out alone when it is dark. You should always wear a helmet while riding a bike. I should go home before it gets late. If you want a pen, you should ask for it. Yes, अगर हमें किसी की कोई चीज़ चाहिए या हमें कोई चीज़ चाहिए तो हमें पहले पूछना चाहिए, कैन आई टेक दिस? And for asking, for ability, for taking permissions, we use can. And to show our ability, we use can. Okay, now let's see the next sentence. The baby is sleeping. You should not make noise. The baby is sleeping, so you should not make noise. You should brush your teeth twice every day. There is water on the floor. You should walk carefully. So this is how we had completed the filling the blanks as well. Please turn the page and come to page number 88. See, there is one table. Remember wala table. Can means the ability to do something. Cannot means the inability to do something. Should suggest something that is right, sensible or correct. Should not suggest something that is not good and should be avoided. Now come to question number 5. Complete the sentences using the words given below. Let us try to do it. The first one. Let us read the topic first. Complete the sentence using the words given below. There are few words given to us and they are models. Yes, can, cannot, should and should not. We should not waste water. हमें पानी waste नहीं करना चाहिए. You should bring warm clothes as it is cold. You should bring warm clothes as it is cold. A camel can live without water for many days. Raj cannot open the door because he does not have the key. Some flowers can grow with a little water, but they cannot grow without sun. You should drive carefully, but you should not be too slow. Let's repeat all of this one more time. We should not waste water. Yes, we are giving suggestion as well as advice. So we will write should not. And then you should bring warm clothes as it is cold. Again we are giving advice, suggestion. So we will write should. Now we are showing someone's ability. Camel. A camel can live without water for many days. Camel बिना पानी के रह सकता है. हम यहाँ पे should या should not का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. Why? क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे एडवाइस या सजेशन नहीं दे रहे हैं, बट हम यहाँ पे एबिलिटी बता रहे हैं. Then Raj cannot open the door because he does not have the key. Some flowers can grow with a little water, but they cannot grow without sun. You should drive carefully, but you should not be too slow. Now it's time to do homework discussion. And your homework is write any 2 things about yourself using can and cannot. आपको अपने बारे में कोई भी दो चीज़ें लिखनी है कैन और कैनॉट को यूज़ करके. ओके लिटिल लर्नर्स, write any two things about yourself using can and cannot. And question number 7 is also your homework. Talk about a member in your family. Write two things each about what the person should and should not do. Alright? आपको अपने फैमिली के कोई भी मेंबर के बारे में यहाँ पे लिखना है और बोलना है, मतलब बताना है कि वो कौन सी चीज़ कर सकते हैं, शुड एंड शुड नॉट, उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. लाइक माई ग्रैंडफादर शुड नॉट ड्रिंक कोल्ड वाटर. माई ग्रैंडफादर शुड ड्रिंक warm water. Likewise, you need to express two of the sentence with should and should not, and you have to write it down here, as well as you also have to write it down sentence using yourself. आपको अपने बारे में भी दो सेंटेंस लिखने हैं कैन एंड कैन नॉट से, एंड अपने फैमिली मेम्बर के, कोई भी फैमिली मेम्बर के बारे में दो चीज़ें लिखनी है विच शुड एंड शुड नॉट. ऑलराइट लिटिल लर्नर्स, सो आई होप दैट एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड द चैप्टर शुड, शुड नॉट, कैन, कैन नॉट. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी और इफ यू aren't able to understand the concept, so please feel free to ask me. I'll be explaining you in more detail. If you are unable to understand the concept, you can ask me, and if you have understood, well and good. So that's all for today. See you all tomorrow with the new chapter and new concept. Chapter number 23, contraction. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you and namaskar.